Hello everyone and welcome back to the Milu project. Today we'll be looking at verbs, specifically a feature they have called transitivity. Transitivity describes the way the verb interacts with the object of the sentence. There are two types of verbs, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs are verbs which are happy being with the subject, like the English verb to throw. Intransitive verbs, though, are verbs which go without an object, like the verb to smile. Although intransitive verbs don't go with direct objects, they often occur with indirect ones. There are also verbs that don't require a subject, like verbs describing the weather, though these are often devised from nouns. But what does that mean in sentences? Well, let's take the phrase, "I laughed." Whilst it would be fairly natural to say, "I laughed at the joke," it would be completely wrong to say, "I laughed the joke." This is because laugh is an intransitive verb, so because it's not followed by an indirect object, this sentence is wrong. And the transitive verb saw can't occur on its own. If someone just told you, "I saw," you would immediately wonder who they saw. But what about my verb, kill saw? I can make it either transitive, like this, or intransitive, like this. This process of assigning transitivities to all your verbs can be very exhausting, but luckily, there are some general trends. Verbs can be stative, meaning they are a completed action or state, or they can be dynamic, meaning they are a continuous process. A verb meaning to go will most likely be dynamic, and dynamic verbs tend to be transitive, while stative verbs are normally intransitive. These are just general categories, as verbs are a lot more complicated than just stative and dynamic. But hopefully, this information allows you to assign accurate transitivities to your verbs. That's all for this week. Join us next time for our video on the Basque language.